Today I'm going to buy a supercar killer with a £30,000 budget.
Not right standard, is it?
NA?
That's not NA.
No, you like that? No turbo?
And it's definitely not a muscle car.
Definitely not a Dodge Demon. Definitely not going to be Danico Blue. Definitely not a Ferrari. Now it's not going to be a Ferrari killer if it beat this Ferrari badge.
So here's the problem, there aren't many cars on the planet that can beat a supercar with just a £30,000 budget, and to prove that, let's jump inside this £250,000 McLaren race car.
Don't drive too crazy, man.
I'll bring it back.
This thing does 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds and a quarter mile in 10 seconds. It has virtually zero lag. At this point I finally realised that's what makes supercars so special, and it's also what makes finding a true budget supercar killer almost impossible.
That is way just the quickest car I've been in. Oh my god. It's gotta make you scared when you drive it. It's gotta scare you.
I love it.
Oh my god.
After weeks of researching and car shopping, the closest thing I could find to keep up was an aerial Atom. A car designed purely to embarrass supercars. It hits 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds and only weighs 600 kg. Power to weight is everything. But after checking the prices, the Atoms were way over the £30,000 budget until I found a damaged one on eBay for less. I actually came across a damaged aerial Atom on eBay, and honestly it could have been the one. It wasn't even that bad. It already came with all the parts needed to get it back on the road, and the K20 turbo engine was still running strong. At around 80% of the retail price, this was a steal. So I started messaging back and forth with the seller, trying to work the price down. Eventually they came back with £18,500, which was very reasonable. I was literally ready to seal the deal, but just as I was about to buy it, I got the call. So unfortunately the aerial Atom sold, and that goal is not going to happen. So we're going to have to move on to another car because something has caught my eye.
Now it's time to show you guys my new supercar killer, my boosted FN2 Turbo. So I know you're probably thinking, why did I buy an FN2 Turbo? They're the most ugliest Honda. Well, guess what? From the previous video, you've probably seen this car get my boosted EK Civic. So we got talking and thought, hey, you're selling it. Well, guess what? I'm gonna buy it. So this car, underneath the engine bay, there's a turbocharger installed to the K20 that's running a 700 brake horsepower billet turbocharger from TDI North. It's no joke. So you're probably thinking, why did I not buy an aerial Atom? Well, this car, you'd never expect it. Let me show you guys. Literally, there's no gauges, there's no boost gauges, there's no temp gauges. You can never tell it's a turbo car. It's like a completely stock FN2 ugly Honda. But what you don't know is that this car is absolutely rapid. So now I'm going to show you guys what's underneath the bonnet. Look at that. This looks like a complete stock K20, and it's actually been designed by TDI North in such a way that you can't even see the turbo. Look, there's no turbo, there's nothing that gives it away. It just looks like someone's just installed an induction and that's it. But the turbo is actually all inside here, but you actually can't see it. So I guess it's time to go for a drive and shock some people. I just want to feel it right now because it's actually got like a twin plate clutch installed that's rated to 700 brake horsepower. Because the person who I bought it from, he built it in such a way that with the stock engine, the minute that just goes, you can just stick in a forged engine, and this car is capable of 700 to 800 brake horsepower, and that is actually the plan, and probably one of the biggest reasons as to why I bought it in the first place. But hey, I love this car because it drives like an absolute normal car. You'd never expect it. Because if I thought about, if I had the aerial Atom, yeah, you know, everybody knows what that is. Everybody knows it's quick. When they see it, they'll be like, oh, it's an aerial Atom. I'm driving casually. I can have a family in the car. I could be going to the shops, and you'd never expect it. So that's why it's a no-brainer to buy this car. The person who had this car has spent the best part of £15,000 on this car. And not to mention, this car's only got 75,000 miles on the clock.
So without further ado, let's see what the public think to the car.
Job done. Job done. What? Wait, one second. Get closer. He just said I'm a liar. We gotta do the mini now. Good race? Huh? No, I got turbo. Nah.
It sounds like it.
Yeah. I'm not saying too much. No turbo, man. Look, I'll rev it. I'll rev it. NA?
That's not NA.
Look! See? That's
So you put your foot down, the wastegate opens.
wastegate.
You said it was NA.
It's just been tuned nicely, NA. He's turning the mini, he's turning the mini. I just that's jokes. Oh, this car's nice and quiet. He had his doubts when I revved it. See, you couldn't tell. Oh man, look the amount of people that are gonna get caught off guard. We just gotta do the Mini Cooper now. Alright, supercharge, yeah? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, go. Let the Mini come. Ah, just go, just go. Ah, go, go, This car is rapid.
You tease.
Huh?
I asked you if
Yeah.
this was just a K20, like standard, and you was like, oh yeah, it's just standard, just a K20.
It's tuned in it, innit?
Oh yeah. So what did you tell
that's
them?
mad for you.
Yeah, look, what, look. That's not a turbo. Look, full gas, look. I know he's gonna dump out, look.
So why has it got two step?
That's just a tune.
I just heard the turbo.
Nah, that's
What-
stock.
what was
That's
that
stock.
noise?
That
Open the
Kevin.
bonnet then if it's stuck.
Okay.
I want to see him do it now.
Oh, okay, alright.
See him do it.
I'm not going to tell Andrew, you should race his MX-5. No,
What
you
would
won't
you
have his
do?
350
That's
there.
really
You
well
reckon?
hidden.
Huh?
That's really well hidden.
No, you like that? No turbo?
is it?
There's no turbo,
Where is
see?
it?
There's no turbo, I told ya.
There, no?
There's
There,
new turbo.
You wouldn't even know. I even asked you, is it just standard? I didn't even see the bike.
Cause I know you ain't gonna win.
I'm going to bolt a big turbo on and not tell you. Well, even when you open the bonnet, it looks like you've just got an air filter.
Yeah. I was shocked when I seen it first time. Caught people off guard then, didn't we? Right, now to make this video even more crazier, I've got some friends that I've not told that this car's boosted. I'm gonna let them sit inside the car and get their reaction. Let's go.
It does move.
This is about to go crazy.
It's a quadrifoglio though, that's why. They're rapid.
They are sick. It's a Ferrari V6. Right, it moves. Purples as well.
100 rear wheel drive and he just sent it. These things sound so nice. When it hits that boost, it's.
That ain't standard, is it?
Nah, not standard, not standard. It's manual, obviously, but it's boost by gear. Turbo.
Yeah, I couldn't lose you.
When you were in the bend, I was like, bro, that's got to be four-wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive. It's twitching. I was like, what the heck? What's in that, man?
Hey?
What's in that?
2.9 V6.
What's it pushing? Be real.
403 brake standard.
500. Wow, that's fast. That's fast, man. That thing is rapid. So on a serious note, that's a 500 brake. ZF DSG gearbox Alfa Romeo. Oh my god, send it. When you're older. You've been there for two?
No.
You haven't been in one?
No.
Oh, this is excellent then to show you what FN2s are like. Maybe in this drive you might like it. The hood?
Yeah.
Hard,
Everything is hidden on the back.
hidden away at the back, man. No turbo gauges, no gauge. Never expected it. Adrian, you're right. You're good, man. You're right, yeah? Is that start on? Is that stock? Is that stock? How long have you had it? 2 days. That's quick, man. It's quick. Go, 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 go. I don't think he expected that. Oh man, I love this car, man. Oh, that S3 was dope. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, smash that like, and make sure to drop a comment if you're new to this channel. And hit that bell notification so you don't miss the next video on this build, because we've got some crazy content coming to you guys. Stay tuned for this one. Peace out. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Say again? Nice, turboed. Yes, the drink for you, mate. Take care of yourself, yeah? It's really hot today, man. Look after yourself, yeah?